Especially the money and all the food items.
Excellent.
Yeah. Oh, you got electric shock?
फोटो खिचेको त आफूलाई राम्रोसँग बसिरहेको खुबै राम्रो होला जस्तो लाग्यो
It's like an electric glow stick. But it is actually quite cool. Yeah, it really is neat stuff. And it runs for so long. How long does it run on 2 batteries? Maybe 50, 60 hours.
That long?
Yeah, yeah. It might start getting dimmer. And eventually this stuff, apparently...
Hey John, where are we?
Annapurna.
50 miles from the beginning.
South. We made it,
80 kilometers.
Base camp.
That's our home for the night. Annapurna base camp. Some clouds blocking fishtail over there.
In the morning it will be perfectly blue and clear. Perfectly blue and clear. We will show you where all the mountains. Amphitheater.
We should get Chandra to name them all actually.
Yeah.
This
And he'll rattle off.
is a very spectacular spot. It's kind of moon landscape like over there.
Yeah.
Bye bye.
Gravel pit.
In the middle of the base camp is 4,130 meters, and then against the Mount Fishtail, we call Nepali Mount Machapuchre. It is one of the holy mountains, sacred, not allowed to climb by our government.
How high is it?
6,993.
Okay.
It's another small peak called Gandarbachuli. That's almost 6,000 meters. And next one highest is Annapurna 3, 7,555. People climb that mountain too. And another peaks we have called Tharpuchuli 10 peak. This is more than 6,100 meters. And next peak small is Singuchuli. That's a little bit difficult for climbing, but people climb that mountain also. Also, there's a little bit sunrise on the top. There's Annapurna 1. This is the highest peak, this Annapurna base camp. It's Parasikar 12 peak. We call 12 peak also. This 6,000 meters. And it's another big mountain we have called Annapurna South, 6,219 meters. So at the end, this is small tiny peak. People climb this mountain also. It's Mount Himchuli, 6,441. So this is our paradise, top of the world in the Nepal.
Excellent. Thank you, Chandra.
You're welcome.
Chandra, how high is Annapurna 1?
Oh, 1,091.
There's Fishtail with the suns behind it.
Bye-bye, base
We
camp.
just say bye-bye for Annapurna base camp.
Bye, base camp.
Bye! Bye, base camp. So that's Annapurna 1 there?
No, Annapurna South.
That's Annapurna South. Okay, start
We're
walking.
very lucky to see the mountain here. Good weather.
Excellent weather. Start walking, lads.
Yeah.
You want a hike and pole, John? Bye!
Bye. And then Masapuse.
Fishtail.
So when we were at ABC, we saw the other side?
Yeah, the other side of this Annapurna South.
Yeah.
Usually you can see just little tiny.
We could have called it rabbit ears. You know rabbit?
Rabbit?
Yeah, you eat rabbit hair.